The remesh modifier simply changes the geometry of your mesh. There are 4 remesh options: blocks, smooth, sharp, and voxel. So this isn't an advanced modifier at all, it is quite simple to use, but we will run through all of the options nevertheless, starting with blocks. So if I just apply the remesh modifier and come to blocks, you can see it simply converts the mesh into a blocky look, similar to Minecraft actually. If we increase the depth here, you can see it increases the number of blockiness on the mesh, so you can get quite a nice terraced look. Quite handy if you want to make something like a mine temple, for example. And then scale increases or decreases the overall resolution of the modifier, which in turn changes the size of each line of blocks. And then the smooth shading option here just does the same thing as the shade smooth tool. It smooths out the shading on the mesh. In some cases, when you use the remesh modifier on some 3D models, you may get some disconnected geometry like this. To remedy this issue, you can check the remove disconnected box over here. The smooth option gives the mesh a smoother look. The sharp option gives the mesh a sharper look, and then you can also adjust the sharpness here. And lastly, the voxel option just voxelizes the mesh, which I honestly don't use as it doesn't give me the control I want over my 3D modelling. I hope this video has made you understand the remesh modifier a little bit better. As you can see, it's very simple to use, and you can create a few interesting shapes using it. I will see you in the next video.